Whether it's Monday morning or Friday afternoon, there isn't a bad time for a cup of coffee. If you are a caffeine addict, just like me, or you're always on the hunt of the latest skincare trends, or you're a combination of the two, you have likely to heard about the new coffee skin craze. I'm all into it. Kaina brings you the wonders of coffee with the mood-lifting aroma from body wash to scrub, gel. What more, it gives the best in the form of coffee. Self-used and self-tested Kaina skincare offers the best of herbal, chemical-free and FDA-approved products. Thanks Kaina for making me drool more into coffee with the best of your coffee product. Happy skincare!